Steel carbon concept. The German company Steel started introducing the ultra-modern technologies in traditional tools such as a chainsaw. Recently, a brand new sample of the steel carbon concept was introduced. The main task of the designers was to minimize the tool and to reduce the size of the motor part. The engine has been radically redesigned. It now uses an electronically controlled fuel injection system. As a result, with the same power of 5.4 kilowatts, the volume of the cylinder was reduced from 91 to 82 centimeters cubed, and the weight of the engine part decreased from 7.4 to 6 kilograms. In addition, the company has finalized the cutting body. The tire has got several new carbon fiber parts and a carbon guide rail in particular. Logisol F2. The Logisol F2 Farmer Chain Sawmill is an ultra-portable sawmill that can easily process logs with a diameter of up to 24 inches. In addition, it is easy to install, which allows assembling and transporting it manually. The frame consists of meter sections, which can fit in the trunk of any car. The assembly of the sawmill takes up to 5 minutes, which allows equipping the sawmill in the yard of the house or directly in the forest. An automatic locking system with precise weights and fixed sawing measurements provides the resulting lumber with the dimensional accuracy. During operation, the carriage slides smoothly along the guide and can easily be raised and turned off. The more powerful the chainsaw, the faster the processing is. For example, the Steel MS391 has a 3.3 kilowatt engine and weighs 6.4 kilograms. With a more powerful chainsaw, Steel MS661, operation goes even faster. The device is suitable for processing wood of different hardness, from pine to oak. The sawmill can be configured to cut up to 6.6 feet long logs, with a mechanical system of log feeding to the sawing table provided. PowerMate Earth Auger is a portable auger for drilling soil, easily operated by a single person. The device is designed for digging trenches for installation of road signs, pillars, fences, lighting systems, and foundations of the pile type. The auger is driven by a 44cc petrol 2-stroke engine. The diameter of the standard screw is 6 inches, and the depth of penetration into the soil is 31 inches, with a rotational speed of up to 320 RPM. Thanks to the fuel located at the top of the engine, the amount of fuel is monitored visually. Torque from the engine is transmitted to the screw through a 2-stage gearbox in an oil reservoir, which does not require maintenance. The total weight of the unit is only 9.1 kilograms, which enables operation by a single person. Terra Trencher. Winner of the Australian Field Days Invention and Terra Trencher Awards, is a specialized portable mini trencher that provides a fast, easy, and safe trenching. The tool can be carried in one hand and is suitable for use in areas with limited access. It quickly digs a 1.6-inch wide and up to 28-inch deep trench with turf or roots, which ensures quick laying of a cable or pipe, covering it up and fast clearing of the terrain. The tool is used for laying communication cables, irrigation works, as well as for laying gas pipelines and electrical lines. In addition, the tool is actively used in gardening and landscape design for the installation of garden lighting or marking of the site, as well as in construction for marking and building foundations and fences. Optionally, the Terra Trencher comes with a guide carriage with the fixed device, which ensures laying a precise line of considerable length. Digging speed is up to 39 inches per minute for most soil types. Self-sharpening saw teeth allow cutting the roots of trees with a diameter of up to 1 inch. Ligna Tool and Steel. Log sawing with a chainsaw occurs fairly quickly but with low accuracy. Ligna Tool has developed a light and safe workbench for working with logs of any size. The device is rigidly fixed on the surface of the log, mounted on the supports using a ratchet clamp and additional fixing bolts. The system is equipped with runners, which can slide a gasoline or electric saw. Runners can be set at any angle to the log. A laser marker that clearly delineates the cut line in workbench comes as a package. The maximum diameter of the log when cutting at a right angle is 16 inches. It can be used both with a round raw log and with a square bar. Guides allow changing the angle within 75 degrees in either direction. Pro Tool SSP200. The Dutch company Pro Tool introduced an innovative combined electric saw SSP200. Its main difference from other models is that it combines the design of a conventional circular saw, but the working body is a shorter chainsaw tire. Despite the reduced size of the tire, it is equipped with a 3-stage lubrication system and an oil reservoir. The maximum cutting depth is 8 inches. However, unlike the usual chainsaw, the Pro Tool SSP200 is able to work with wood of any hardness, as well as with insulation and wall materials. At the same time, the tool has got a compact size, a balanced design, a weight of 6.5 kilograms, and an electric motor with a power of 1.6 kilowatt, which enables using the machine in the most difficult conditions. The saw is equipped with electronic control systems of turns under load, as well as with a smooth start. At the same time, any manufacturer's guide rail can be used, such as Pro Tool, Festool, and many others. Predator ST661. The Predator ST661 can turn an ordinary chainsaw into an efficient machine for removing tree stumps. The main feature of this device is its compactness and ease of use. The motor part of the chainsaw of any design is mounted on the steel welded frame, where to the cutting body itself is connected. It is a hard alloy drive disc that is driven by a chain. The frame rests on the pneumatic roller, and the operator is there just to start the engine and to simply chop the stump. The machine can operate in places inaccessible to other equipment, such as in flower beds or in a narrow backyard, and remove stumps located close to walls, fences, and foundations. The weight of the loaded machine is about 30 kilograms, and manual transportation using a pneumatic roller does not cause any difficulties. The average time to remove a stump of hard fruit tree with a diameter of 12 to 14 inches is about 15 to 20 minutes. Log Wizard. The Log Wizard replaceable chainsaw turns a regular saw into a polishing, planing, grinding, or milling tool, depending on the settings and requirement. The tool is a rotating drum with two 3-inch blades. It is driven by a chainsaw engine and is installed instead of the standard chain tire. As the blades wear, they can be sharpened normally or replaced. The nozzle can be used combined with all types of chainsaws, both gasoline and electric ones. The weight of the nozzle is 1.4 kilograms. The tool becomes the most efficient when used as a planing device. Installation of the Log Wizard on the motor part of the saw is done in 5 to 7 minutes. Advalino is a system of mechanical trimming of live trees for the production of high-quality wood. The device is capable of processing up to 60 trunks per hour at a height of up to 49 inches. Processing of one tree takes no more than 10 seconds. Such results were achieved by applying a 2-module hydro-pneumatic system, which can be connected to any tractor with a hydraulic circuit. The first module is responsible for moving the device along the trunk using a pneumatic wheel, which presses the machine against the trunk, and the moving track system with hydraulic drive that does not damage the wood. During rotating, soft friction tracks raise and lower the device. The second module cuts small branches using pre-configured patented knives, thus following the shape of the tree trunk. In addition, the design provides for additional fixation using 2 sliding clamps with a pneumatic actuator. The machine is controlled using a remote control and can process 4 to 10-inch thick trunks.